Delhi is a city saturated with digital noise. Millions of cellular signals, Wi-Fi networks, and data streams crisscross the air every single second, keeping the population permanently connected. But inside a specific pocket of the Aravalli Hills, the signal bars on every phone in the vicinity instantly flatline. There are no electronic jammers present. The environment itself seems to repel the frequency. This is the Kalkaji Mandir. While the surrounding city grew, this site remained tied to its origins in the Mahabharata era, when it was reportedly established by the Pandavas. The temple was constructed using tantric principles, a system focused on the management of energy and the repelling of external negativity. The builders intended to create a space shielded from outside disturbances, an effect that manifests today as a total barrier to digital signals. By creating this physical disconnection, the architecture forces a change in behavior. Without the distraction of the outside world, the environment mandates a direct focus on the inner sanctum. The path to the core is guarded by these stone lions. Their weathered features mark the transition from modern streets to the ancient temple exterior. This carved stone doorway leads into the Garbh Griha, or the inner sanctum. It is the most restricted and energy-dense area of the complex. The floor plan reveals a specific geometric requirement. The room is surrounded by exactly 12 distinct doorways. Each door corresponds to a specific astrological zodiac sign, ensuring every person enters through a gateway aligned with their cosmic identity. This mathematical layout ensures that as devotees move from the outside world into the center, they pass through a threshold specifically calibrated to their cosmic profile. Upon entering, the atmosphere shifts. The architecture is intended to trap negative energy outside the 12 doors, leaving only a calm, concentrated aura within. This is the center of the frequency vacuum. The tantric design of the walls is credited with repelling external negativity and modern cellular waves. At the center burns the Akhand Jyot. This sacred flame has remained lit since the Mahabharata era, providing a constant point of focus for millennia. The most noted phenomenon here is the idol of Ma Kalkaji itself. Daily devotees report that the deity's facial expressions and manifestation physically change. One day, the idol may appear in a wrathful, intense state. By the next morning, the features often seem to soften into a serene and calming presence. The presence of the eternal flame, the shifting idol, and the absence of external signals create a space that feels reactive to those within it. To carry the energy of the sanctum back into the world, devotees perform a specific sequence. It begins with the application of holy water, a ritual used to symbolically wash away the evil eye and residual tension. Priests then tie the kalawa, a sacred red thread, onto the wrist. This acts as a physical reminder of the temple's protective environment. The final step is taking sindoor from the ancient Hanuman idol's feet. Applied to the forehead, this represents the removal of future obstacles. These rituals are more than tradition. They are a systematic approach designed to ground the individual and reduce the psychological weight of fear or anxiety. Exiting the Garbh Griha brings a visual cooldown. In the outer courtyard, devotees encounter a statue of Lord Shiva, whose calm appearance helps them transition back toward the outside world. Before leaving, there is one final offering, a coconut wrapped in sacred thread and filled with Havan samagri. The devotee focuses on a single wish or intention before casting the offering into the ritual fire of the Havan Kund. The Kalkaji Mandir remains a site of forced isolation. In an era defined by digital saturation, these ancient stones provide a rare environment where the noise of the modern world is physically unable to enter.